Water is an essential nutrient, but it is mostly ignored or forgotten by most of us. It is a pretty common knowledge that around 70% of our body is made up of water. But what most of us don't know is that around 80% brain, 75% muscles, 83% blood, 90% lungs, 65% skin, and 30% bones is made up of water. Water is the medium through which all the cells, tissues, and body get nourished. This explains how important water is for us. Let us see in detail what all are the benefits of drinking water. Drinking plenty of water aids in smooth functioning of digestive system. Water helps in breakdown of food and nutrient absorption. It also keeps the food moving along the intestine, therefore avoiding issues like constipation, bloating, acidity, irregular bowel movements, and inflammation. People who are suffering from any of these digestive issues are recommended to start their day with half liter or around 1 liter water. They may also add lemon to it. This will help in resolving their digestive issues. Water helps to carry oxygen to each cell and tissues, which nourishes them. This results in proper functioning systems like brain functioning, kidney functioning, cardiovascular systems, etc. This ultimately results in increased immunity levels. As the brain is mostly water, drinking it helps in number of ways like improved cognition and concentration, maintaining memory functions, reduced stress level, increased oxygen flow to brain, helps in balancing moods and emotions. Therefore, to maintain proper brain functioning, it is very important to stay hydrated. Water helps in detoxifying the body with the help of liver and kidney. Liver picks up the toxic material from the body and converts it into water soluble substances. This, with the help of kidney, gets eliminated from the body in form of urine, therefore cleansing and detoxifying the body every day. It is always better for us to drink proper amounts of water during the first half of the day so that our body gets cleansed properly. Drinking adequate amount of water helps to increase metabolism rate. It also helps to increase total energy expenditure, that is, you burn more calories per day. If you drink a glass of warm water half an hour before your meals, you end up eating less amount of calories than required. Drinking water at regular intervals help you avoid those hunger cramps or binge eating. Therefore, drinking water is a good home remedy for those who want to lose weight. Staying hydrated helps to relieve pains and cramps, especially headaches and joint pains. Drinking a lot of water helps you achieve youthful and glowing skin. It keeps the skin cells hydrated and moisturized and therefore making the skin look radiant and soft. It helps in preventing skin issues such as acne, pimples, blemishes, dark patches, freckles, and wrinkles. Above all, water should be a first choice to delay aging and to achieve glowing and shining skin. As it has zero calories, it has no side effects, and it is readily available. So, what are you waiting for? Stay hydrated. Gulp, gulp, gulp. When you drink proper amounts of water, you are likely to feel energetic and active throughout the day. The chances of feeling dull, lethargic, or fatigued are less. To reap all the benefits from water, you can drink at least 12 glasses of it. You can drink it in any form of fluids like plain lemon water or might be a glass of fresh coconut water. But remember, beverages like tea, coffee, soda, or any other aerated drinks are not included in this list and will not help you in increasing your water intake for the day. They are diuretics, that is, they eliminate water from the body. So ensure that you are taking adequate amount of water every day, either by putting hourly reminders or any other way which suits you. One common question is that should I be drinking warm water or cold water? Warm water has its own benefits like it improves digestion, combats pain, relieves nasal congestion and detoxifies body. Whereas cold water combats heat strokes and is good post workout. Cold water should never be had after or before meals. The body spends lot of energy in increasing its temperature and the whole digestion process slows down. This leads to indigestion. Warm water should not be taken after a session of exercise. I would conclude drinking warm water is a better option. You can prefer room temperature water during your workout sessions or if you don't like warm water. Room temperature water might be your best bet if you live in a hot climate area. So make your choice and keep yourself well hydrated. Some points to be noted here are: never store water in plastic bottles or containers. Store water in copper containers or glass bottles. Copper helps in purifying water. You can also store water in earthen pots. This helps in cooling water. Majority of the water should be consumed in first half of the day. You can put reminders for that. I hope now you have enough reasons to keep a check on your daily water intake and not forget it. If you liked the video, please do subscribe and share it with your friends. This is Dietitian Priya Mohan from Health First signing off.